was planning to go in early morning. The time right now is almost 10, and I booked a ticket from Obelet, which I mentioned in my previous videos, and the link was given in the description. I will put the link here also to book ticket for train or for buses. They are e-billet or O-billet. The problem what happened is when I arrived at station, it was supposed to be at 8. They said the bus is late and it will come maybe around 9:30. They said first 9, then at 9 the bus did not come, so I asked them again, so they say it will be at 9:30. If you can see mountains at the back, which are the whitish, and even at the front mountain cannot be clear right now because they are too far. You can see the white snow on the ground. We just stopped for a short period at a station, petrol station, and the mountains, the view is mashallah so beautiful. And as it is a sunny day, so it's not that much cold. Otherwise the temperature was almost like 1 in the morning. Alhamdulillah, yani I don't need to even close my jacket right now. The sun is shining bright right now. So reached at Eskişehir and booked this ticket. And this is the bus for Söğüt, which will leave right after 5 minutes. 2 minutes before, there was no one here. And suddenly a driver came. He opened the bus, and three of us had just sat in the bus. So right now we're waiting. It's 1. The bus started moving at 1:1 without any passenger. We are just 3. Assalamu alaikum. I reached at Söğüt Ottoman station. Eskişehir to Söğüt. It took just 1 hour. Actually 3 minutes less than 1 hour. For going back, the bus will leave after each hour, and the last bus which will leave, it will leave at 6 o'clock. And the time is almost 2. I was planning to come here around 10 or 11, but because of the bus, it's a village. It's a small village still now. I just took a turn to this side and the street looks very beautiful and clean. Now I'm walking in an area where the great Ottoman Empire started breathing, and the foundation of the Ottoman Empire was here. The first mosque in Söğüt which I found, it's not the first by the time, it's the first I saw here. This is Sultan Jalebi, or some also call him Krishti Sultan. This is also Kaaba. On the both sides of Mihrab, you will have Kaaba to see. The roof is made of modern zinc, and it's already demolished, and it's not taken care of, and it's abandoned. It's one of the very rare places in Turkey which are historic and not being taken care of. And there is a chimney of this building. This was the wheel mill of the previous era. This is the old building and it's not in the condition right now. And this is the even the clothes here they are tired of. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And it looks very scary because no one is here and the building is already demolished and it's standing with these pillars. And even if you look at the door is like this. And it's inside, yani, it's not outside of the residence area. The residence area is in front, so it's just in front of the residence area. Let's check with the stairs up. The wooden windows. The water is dripping off the roof because of the water is dripping off from the roof because this is the time right now of snow, and you can see it's so scary. I cannot go further up as I'm alone here, so let's go back. But this is the one building I have seen, and it's in the city like so, and it's already demolished and no one is taking care of it. Now for the first time I'm realizing I should come here with a group. I was trying to go on the top floor of this building, which is the second one. This is ground one and the second one. This is the first time I'm actually realizing I should come with someone, not alone. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. And this is also a part of that building, yani that was the complete structure, and here they had something also. It was like a factory of or something, or windmill maybe, Allahu Alam. What is this? What was it? But you can see it was actually a mill, and you can see this metal pipe or whatever you call it for pressure gauge. There is a pressure gauge. This is Ertuğrul Gazi Masjid. It is the first mosque which was built by Ertuğrul Gazi in Söğüt. And I think the mosque is already been reversed, yani they did the upgradation, but I think so, it's my opinion, the size of the mosque or the dimension is still same, or maybe it is a bit bigger, wallahu a'lam. Oh, the very old lock system here. And this is the actual well from where they used to bring out the water. It's still here also, and it's written in, this is actual Turkish language, but because of now they are use the other language, yani the alphabets, that's why Turkish people even cannot read it, cannot understand it. It's very simple and small mosque. This is a well from where they used to bring out water.
Kapatmışlar üstünü.
तो मस्जिद तो बहुत छोटी सी और बहुत खूबसूरत है. अंदर जो वेल देख, the mosque is very small and very beautiful, but the thing we saw inside is the well, and we turned on the light and the well is totally dried right now. There is no water inside. The ground or the yard of the outside of the mosque is bigger than the mosque itself. The mosque is very small and it's just re-renovated, and I'm going towards Ertuğrul Gazi tomb. This is Hammam of Söğüt. This is the Maidan where people used to gather in case of anything. The sculpture of Ertuğrul Gazi is here. It's just behind the mosque. The museum of Söğüt. Let's go inside. This is the main entrance from here. The museum is empty. Actually, the thing is, now it's too cold. People usually does not come here. Oh Allah. Let's start from the right side first, then we'll come here. It's a very small museum, but looks very interesting. Allah. These are the pots they used to use that time. And this is called, in Urdu we call it mishkis. Yani it's made up of the goat's you can say skin, used for drinking water and storing water. Clothes and everything are for females here. And I think these are maybe their small bags or something. It's written here. Then we come to this area. Then again continue. If you will just continue, these are the rugs. Allah. It is mostly based for the early Ottoman Empire, you can say Kayı Tribe. And the flag, how they used to have their flag, this was their flag. On the right side from the museum, you can see different type of stones and different types of sculptures, like this one, or maybe this one, which is actually was like this. So I'm not going to check all these things in details because these are from Romans mostly. So let's go. The prayer azan has been started. Let's go for the prayer of Asr in South. This is Hamidiyya Jami, and in front of it there is a clock tower which is built recently. This is a mosque. Let's go inside. The mosque, it is very beautiful. The people are here too friendly. I just met Imam and the Muezzin, and the Muezzin gave me this as a gift. Once they came to know I'm from Pakistan, they hugged me tight and they were inviting me for the lunch, but I said thank you very much, I have to go. MashaAllah ta'ala. Oldest mosque here. The other one is Muezzin. He was telling me that in Ottoman Empire, Sultan Hamid, he had this mosque, and there was no this wall was not here, and this was high school, and that building was for middle school. What students used to do, they will come, they will study in the school, and then they will pray here. As there was no mosque, it was one area. So, but then the things got changed. The school was for sure little. It was a small school, so there was a new school in when the Mustafa Kemal Ataturk came. Before that there was a school, but the thing which got changed, and he was really upset about that. After Ataturk came, he said like the military came here and they changed everything. They even changed the letters of Turkish language, which now is Latin. Before it was Arabic letters. So this is what happened, and he was really upset about this. So let's go. I'm going towards the Ertuğrul Gazi Birthplace or Ertuğrul Gazi tomb. This is the area where they had Hanli Bazaar. It is the famous bazaar of Sultanate Osmania or Ottoman Empire, you can say. Ertuğrul Gazi tomb here.
Ertuğrul Gazi'nin eşi.
Evet, evet. This is the grave of wife of Ertuğrul Gazi, Halime Hatun. Back side of this Ertuğrul Gazi tomb, we have different graves of different soldier of Kayı Tribe. For example, this is Abdurrahman Ghazi's grave. This is Zundar Bey, his uncle, Saltuk Alp, Samsa, Aytuk Alp over there, and so on. For example, here it is Gunduz Bey. Here we have Turgut Alp, Konur Alp, and Akça Koja. And this is the grave of Savji Bey, his another son. May Allah do Rahman all of them, and may Allah bless them with higher strength in Jannah, inshallah. May Allah help us to go on right path of Islam also, inshallah al-Aziz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.